Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to set up your trainers for workshops. It's important that you create your trainers as contacts in system, which you can do via the contacts menu and choosing add new contact. I've already completed this, so I'm going to mouse over the contacts menu and instead choose trainers. From here, we now need to add a new trainer, which we can do via the button at the top here. Next, click this icon and search for the contact we wish to add as the trainer. All of the remaining fields are strictly optional, so I'm just going to leave them for now. After submitting, we'll be looking at our list of trainers. You'll now be able to assign this trainer for any non-accredited workshops. For accredited workshops that are linked to a unit of competency, we need to update the trainer competencies, which we can do via the Trainer Competencies button near the top. Trainer competencies are unit-specific. First, select the qualification which houses the unit for which we are marking competencies for the trainer. The top section includes further filtering options in case you have a lot of trainers. In the section below, we can specify the competency level the trainer has for the units we would like to update, using this drop-down. I'm going to select Robert as competent to train and assess, and then select the checkboxes in the relevant columns. You can also use the checkbox on the left next to the trainer's name to select a whole row. Once complete, press Update All Selected and proceed with the bulk change. If successful, the units should be shaded a color based on the competency status you selected. In summary, this video has demonstrated how to add a trainer and how to apply competency statuses for units they are competent to train. The next video will explain the different workshop coordination types.